Dogecoin to hit $10. Price prediction. Sam Onegbanjo, the founding partner at the Capital Markets Academy, believes that once Dogecoin overtakes 50 cents, the next aim for the meme coin will be $10. While this may appear to be too optimistic, current indications surely suggest that $10 is really not that far away. Hi, welcome to Crypto Doge News, where we publish the most up-to-date cryptocurrency news every single day. But before we go any further, don't forget to check out our web shop at www.cryptodogeshop.com for some amazing merchandise. We have a great selection of t-shirts featuring Dogecoin with many more on the way. They are super quality, reasonably priced, and make great gifts for a cryptocurrency enthusiast. And what's more, we're also giving away a t-shirt to a random subscriber every week. Yes, you heard it right. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, like the video, and share it with your friends. Now, let's get right into it. Over the last week, the value of Dogecoin has literally skyrocketed. The price per token has gone up 40% since last Friday and roughly 50% over the last couple of weeks. Well, that's a really big return in a short period of time for anyone holding it. However, with the present trend, expecting the price to hit $10 is a long shot. As of August 14th, Dogecoin is trading at 28 cents and is the world's 7th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. While the market is slowly ticking back up, it's difficult to pinpoint anything specifically with Dogecoin that would explain its outsized move higher. However, there is an important general trend to be aware of. It turns out that retail investors are still trading crypto. A lot. Coinbase Global, which enables the trading of cryptocurrencies, reported quarterly financial results earlier this week. As per the company, the monthly transacting users, MTUs, on its platform increased a whopping 44% just from the previous quarter. Furthermore, trade volume also grew by 38% throughout this period. But that doesn't answer the question of exactly where Dogecoin will go from here. So to answer your question, a company named Finder recently polled 42 cryptocurrency experts to get their take. According to the poll, 80% of participants feel that Dogecoin is a bubble. However, some analysts predict that the price will continue to rise this year until the bubble bursts next year. Some even predict that Dogecoin may be nearly worthless by the end of the year. To put it another way, the so-called experts are very split. But here's the thing. They're divided because no one, including you and me, knows what the future holds for Dogecoin with any certainty. The experts are all just guessing. Well, that makes sense because celebrity endorsements have had a huge influence on the price of the cryptocurrency. Just a single tweet from Elon Musk caused prices to drop or surge. An individual with that much control over public opinion is extremely dangerous when millions of people are investing. And of course, it also makes it much easier for people to make some quick money. But apart from that, Dogecoin's recent listing on different cryptocurrency exchanges has also had quite an impact on its price. Along with exchanges, a growing number of businesses in a variety of industries have also begun to accept Dogecoin as a form of payment. As of August 2021, there are over 1,600 merchants accepting Dogecoin payments, and that number keeps going up. While in the short term, such news could boost Dogecoin's value almost immediately. However, in the long term, cryptocurrencies such as Dogecoin need to offer real value to their owners if it wishes to sustain its bull run. Furthermore, Dogecoin and other digital assets could face serious regulatory crackdowns throughout the world. China has already banned financial institutions and payment companies from providing services related to cryptocurrency transactions, and even warned investors against speculative crypto trading. As per the statement provided by China, cryptocurrency prices have skyrocketed and plummeted, and speculative trading of cryptocurrency has rebounded, seriously infringing on the safety of people's property and disrupting the normal economic and financial order. The statement also highlighted the risk of cryptocurrency trading, saying virtual currencies are not supported by real value, and their prices are easily manipulated. Well, indeed, market manipulation has existed for as long as tradable assets have existed, and cryptocurrencies are no exception to it. The cryptocurrency space is also immature with nascent regulations, making it even more vulnerable to market manipulations. The most pervasive technique used in the crypto markets today is pump and dump, which also has one of the highest impacts. In such schemes, users jack up the price by focusing attention on a cheap asset, encouraging investors to buy and then dump the coin, leaving behind the investors who are too slow or not savvy enough. Rick Edelman, founder of Edelman Financial Engine, says Dogecoin is also a victim of a pump and dump scheme by certain very famous wealthy individuals who shall be nameless here on the program, Elon Musk. Edelman believes that the SEC isn't doing its job by providing the oversight it does to exchange-traded funds. That's creating the environment for people to do crazy things in crazy chat rooms, creating a bump and dump environment of people who are trying to get rich quick. While this is not ideal in the long run, analysts predict that the same pump and dump cycle might propel the meme coin to new heights by the end of 2021. However, there is still a long way to go. The current graphs do not indicate a positive outcome anytime soon. Dogecoin has gained nearly 80% since its swing low on July 20. But the price pattern now indicates that a trend reversal is on the way. Then again, as with any prediction, we cannot always be certain that it'll turn out the way we expect it to be. It's also possible that Dogecoin could rise even further. The major reason for such optimism is none other than Tesla billionaire Elon Musk. Like we mentioned earlier, Musk has adopted Dogecoin as something of a pet project this year, repeatedly sharing Dogecoin memes on social media and even issuing calls for developers to submit upgrade ideas and improvements. In response to a question on the future of Dogecoin, Musk recently reiterated a suggestion he made before about upgrading Dogecoin to increase transaction rates and reduce costs. And it's not just him. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin also agrees that there is potential for the Dogecoin and Ethereum blockchains to interoperate. Buterin says, "I think if we could have a secure Doge to Ethereum bridge, then that would be amazing. And then when Ethereum gets its scalability thing that works for Ethereum assets, you'd be able to also trade wrapped Doge with extremely low transaction fees and very high speed as well." Well, if these two were to really interoperate, no one will be able to stop Dogecoin from hitting $1. And once it does reach $1, $10, or even $100, doesn't sound that far away. So what are your thoughts on Dogecoin? Do you think $10 is a realistic target? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, if you found our video informative, do like it and share it with your friends. Until next time, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for all new updates coming up.